Xiaomi is set to unveil its newest kitchen innovation, the Xiaomi Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker, a cutting-edge 8-in-1 appliance accessible through its dedicated app. The product, currently listed on the global Xiaomi website, hints at a global release in the near future. Although the specific functionalities of the device are yet to be detailed, it boasts a 3 liters capacity capable of cooking 10 bowls of rice simultaneously. The Mi Home/Xiaomi Home app allows users to customize cooking settings, including time and texture, while a top-mounted physical button and integrated display provide convenient adjustments and real-time information on remaining cooking time. Promising added convenience, the Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker can keep rice warm for up to 12 hours and offers a 24-hour scheduling option. The appliance features a high-power element for even cooking, integrated temperature sensors to prevent burning, and includes essential accessories such as a steamer basket, rice paddle, ladle, measuring cup, detachable inner lid, and steam valve for easy cleaning. Despite no disclosed pricing or release date, the imminent global website listing suggests an impending launch. Anticipation is building to uncover the comprehensive specifications and the functionality of the Xiaomi Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker's 8 functions, making it a potential game-changer in smart kitchen appliances. Stay tuned for updates on this exciting addition to Xiaomi's innovative lineup.